from pair of straight line, and the problem is prove that pair of straight lines joining the origin to the point of intersection of the ellipse is given by x square by a square plus y square by b square, this is equal to 1, and the straight line lx plus my plus n, this is equal to 0, are number 1 coincide if a square l square plus b square l square, this is equal to n square, and number 2 the perpendicular to each other if a square plus b square by l square plus m square, this is equal to a square b square by n square. We have to prove two relations for coincide and for perpendicular. Now if we draw a rough sketch of the ellipse, this is the ellipse, and let the equation of the straight line, this is given by like this. Let this is the given straight line, which is lx plus my plus n, this is equal to 0. Now the pair of straight line joining the origin to the point of intersection, let it be the point of intersection A and it be the another point of intersection B, and we have to find the pair of straight line, this is OA and OB. Okay, and we know that the pair of straight line through origin and passes through the point of intersection of x square by a square plus y square by b square, this is equal to 1, let it be 1, and the line lx plus my plus n, this is equal to 0, let it be 2, is given by making one homogeneous with the help of 2. Okay, so we get the pair of straight line through the origin and passes through the point of intersection of the ellipse, this is 1, and lx plus my plus n, this is equal to 0, this is the given straight line, is given by making homogeneous one with the help of 2. Then the line OA and OB, which are the pair of straight line through the origin, is given by, we make homogeneous one with the help of 2, that is x square by a square plus y square by b square, this is equal to, if we write here 1 square, okay, and this means from 2 we get, this is lx plus my by minus n, this is equal to 1, so we put here lx plus my by minus n whole square. Okay, now calculating the result, we get x square by a square minus, this is l square by n square into x square plus y square by b square minus, this is m square by n square into y square minus 2lm by n square into xy, this is equal to 0. This is the homogeneous equation of second degree which represented two line OA and OB. Now we get the condition one by one. The first condition is the lines are coincident. For the line ax square plus 2hxy plus by square, this is equal to 0. This line are coincident if h square, this is equal to 8. Okay, and so as a condition of coincident we get coefficient of coefficient of 2xy whole square. This is equal to coefficient of x square into coefficient of y square, right? And here the coefficient of 2xy, this is given by 2xy, so the coefficient of 2xy is minus lm by n square. So we get minus lm by n square, this square, okay? And the right side is coefficient of x square. The coefficient of x square is clearly 1 by a square minus l square by n square into coefficient of y square. This means 1 by b square minus m square by n square. Okay. Now calculating the result, we get l square m square by n to the power 4, and the right side is n square minus a square l square by a square n square into n square minus m square b square by b square n square, and n to the power 4 and n to the power 4 cancel out, so we get l square m square into a square b square, and the right side is n to the power 4 minus m square n square b square minus a square l square n square, a square l square n square, plus m square l square a square b square, and these two terms cancel out from both sides, and we get the relation as this is m square n square b square plus l square n square a square. This is equal to n to the power 4, and this gives, if we cancel out n square from both sides, we get m square b square plus l square square. This is equal to n square, and this is our first required condition. This is l square m square, sorry, a square l square plus b square m square. This is equal to n square. We get the first condition. Okay, and for getting the second condition, that is the lines are perpendicular. It is very easy. Lines are perpendicular if we know that the condition 2 for perpendicular a plus b, this is equal to 0. That is coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square, this is equal to 0, and getting the result as, what is the coefficient of x square? We already find here. This is 1 by a square minus l square by n square plus this is 1 by b square minus m square by n square. This is equal to 0, and calculating the result, we get this is 1 by a square minus 1 by b square, sorry, this is plus, and in the right side we write l square plus m square by n square. Okay, now calculating, we get a square plus b square by l square plus m square. This is equal to a square b square by n square, and this is our second required condition. A square b square, a square plus b square by l square plus m square. This is equal to a square b square by n square. This is the condition of perpendicularity, and this is the condition of coincident, right? This is very interesting and important problem of pair of straight line. Thank you for watching.